Ladies and gentlemen, please clap politely as we welcome Jared Leto to the stage.
And now, the film that's taking the motion picture world by storm. It's the story of a man who overcomes unspeakable tragedy, survives horrible wars, and rises to one of the most important positions in the world, spreading his message of love and peace to every corner of the globe. Please enjoy this clip from one of the most inspiring films of the year, if not the decade, Boats.